Welcome to this tutorial on step-by-step Monday.com board templates. A Monday.com board is a customizable workspace where you can manage and track your work, projects, and tasks. In this guide, we will walk you through creating a board template from scratch. First, log into your Monday.com account and click on the templates icon on the top right corner of the screen. Browse through the pre-built templates and choose one that suits your needs or start from a blank template. Next, set up your board structure by adding columns. Columns are used to track different types of information such as task names, deadlines, and status. You can add a text column to enter task names, a date column to set deadlines, and a status column to track progress. Now, let's add items to your board. Items represent individual tasks or projects. Click on the Add Item button and enter the relevant information in each column. You can also add files, images, and videos to each item. To make your board more organized, use groups to categorize your items. Groups are used to separate items into different categories, such as high priority tasks, low priority tasks, or completed tasks. You can also use tags to label and filter items. Another key feature of Monday.com boards is automation. Automation allows you to set up custom workflows and notifications. For example, you can set up a notification to be sent when a task is assigned to someone or when a deadline is approaching. Finally, customize your board to fit your team's needs. You can change the board's layout, add custom columns, and set up integrations with other tools. Make sure to share your board with your team and set up permissions to control who can edit and view the board. Best practices for using Monday.com board templates include setting clear goals and objectives, using consistent naming conventions, and regularly updating and tracking progress. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a customized board template that streamlines your workflow and improves productivity.